नमस्कार दर्शकों, आप सबका फिर से स्वागत है चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज में, जहां हम बुनते हैं किस्से, बातें और खूब सारी मस्ती। अभी कुछ एपिसोड पहले हमारे साथ थी ध्रुविता, जिसने हमें रिकमेंड किया था आज के इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के लिए। और इसी के साथ हमारे साथ आज जुड़ चुकी है हरजोत, जो कि अगेन ध्रुविता की तरह एक प्रोफेसर भी हैं और एक डिजिटल क्रिएटर भी है। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज में।
Thank you so much, Pranay, for inviting me here, and I'm very grateful to you, and equally excited as well to be here and to share my journey with you all.
So let's start this journey with the excitement and let our audience know something about you.
Okay, so I am basically born in Pathankot, and I moved to Chandigarh when I was 17, 18 years old. उसके बाद मैंने यहीं आके अपनी पढ़ाई की है और यहीं जॉब की है. I tried to shift to other cities, Delhi, Hyderabad, but I could not live there. कहते हैं ना कि जो चंडीगढ़ आ जाता है एक बारी वो कहीं और नहीं रह सकता फिर. So I think once you start living in Chandigarh, you cannot live anywhere else. So that is the thing that has, kept Chandigarh really close to my heart, and I'm here.
So इसी के साथ मेरे को अपने एक बचपन की बात याद आ गई। मेरी फैमिली में भी ये कहावत बड़ी फेमस है कि जे पड़ोसी नाल वैर होए ते ओदे मुंडे नु चंडीगढ़ पढ़न दी सलाह दे दो। चंडीगढ़ गया बंदा नहीं कदे मुड़िया कर वापस।
Absolutely agreed. This city is so close. It's so beautiful that you feel that your life is complete here.
Yeah.
So
Chandigarh is the place to die for.
yes, absolutely.
How has Chandigarh inspired you in your professional career?
I've done all my studies in Chandigarh, and I've worked majority of my career also I've spent here. So basically I have done my graduation from here, then went out to some other city in Punjab to do my masters, then came back to Chandigarh here and worked here. And it's been more than 15 years I'm here.
Wow, that's quite a long
Yes.
time. तो चंडीगढ़ वालों, आप जो है ये अगर पॉडकास्ट को सुन रहे हो और इसी के साथ 15 साल में अगर आपने कोई नया चेंज देखा है तो नीचे कमेंट करके बताओ 15 साल में आपको क्या लगता है चंडीगढ़ कैसे चेंज हो गया है?
चंडीगढ़ बहुत चेंज हो गया है. अर्लियर पीपल यूज्ड टू से कि चंडीगढ़ बहुत स्लो है. मुझे लगता है कि अब चंडीगढ़ इज इक्वली हैपनिंग लाइक अदर सिटीज इन इंडिया. यू हैव एवरीथिंग हियर. बाहर दिल्ली बॉम्बे जाओ तो वहाँ सिर्फ हैपनिंग है, वहाँ पीस नहीं है. यहाँ लाइफ हैपनिंग भी है और यहाँ पीस भी है.
पीस भी है. और इसी के साथ साथ हमारा डिजिटल क्रिएटर का काम भी बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया है.
एब्सोल्युटली, यस यस. चंडीगढ़ रह के ही मुझे रियलाइजेशन हुआ कि मुझे कुछ डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में कुछ करना है. बिकॉज मैंने बताया जैसे मैंने ट्रैवल में अपना करियर परस्यू किया था, एंड उसके बाद आई वांटेड टू गो इनटू एकेडमिक्स, so which is why I chose academics, because that was my ambition from so long. I started working in academics. Then after certain years you realize, okay, this is going fine, but I want to do something else as well.
Yes. Yes.
Something else, because your preferences keeps on changing. So you have you try and actually you kind of build different passion in life after certain years. So I think digital world was one such passion for me, because it's not just that I have my presence on social media. I am also pursuing my further career in social media.
Wow.
So मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी, जैसे I'm an associate professor in the university. I'm also pursuing my PhD in social media.
Wow.
Yes.
So that is something huge.
That is one more reason for me to be digital influencer as well.
Indeed, that was a really lovely story. तो मेरी ऑडियंस को ये बताएं कि आपने जब ये जर्नी शुरू करी तब आपको क्या क्या चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़े?
बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस थे. I started my journey of an influencer during COVID times, and COVID में I took a decision to make my account public. So I started posting initially, slowly and gradually, and these things started normalizing, and we started I started interacting with the brands as well. But initially you do not get those brand endorsements, because even brands have an expectations कि एक built up profile हो, that set number of audiences हो, reach इतनी हो, and as a micro influencer you do not get that immediately. So it takes a lot of time for you to come to that position. And so initially I took basically a workshop from a very renowned influencer, so wherein she specifically told that it's okay if you're not getting any brand endorsements. It's okay if you don't have those many followers, right? So the initial step to start for the new ones here is to reach out to the brand yourself. And I think this is the same suggestion I give to everybody who's, you know, actually want to pursue a career in the influencer industry. So if the brands are not approaching you, you start trying to approach the brands yourself. You know, make a pitch for yourself professionally, add on all the details, and, you know, contact the brands. 10 send करोगे emails, एक तो reply आएगा.
Yes.
That is how I started, and that is how I started getting the endorsements for brands. But then, of course, your audiences plays a very important role. Engagement you don't get that much. So ये सब कुछ challenges हैं जो मेरे को initially आए.
अभी तक आप जो है कितने ब्रांड्स के साथ जुड़ चुकी है?
Frankly, मैंने कभी count नहीं किया.
हाँ?
But I would not say too many, but I think I have worked with a couple of brands in food segment, and beauty segments, and I have worked with 1 or 2 hotels as well. Like I recently did a collaboration with Lalit Chandigarh, and I have done collaboration with I mean, I would not say too renowned brand, but small setups, and which I think is more important because जो already build up brands होते हैं उन, you know, there are a lot of already influencers in the market who are endorsing them. So just like we are the beginners, even the brands are the beginners, right? It's just very important to promote them as well. So I think that is my main motive. More that is what my focus in life is. Not just work with the renowned brands, but also the brands which are just stepping into the market and launching their products. Because I recently did a collaboration with the brand Koheva. That is a beauty brand, and they are like, their story is really inspiring. There are 3 friends who have started up this beauty brand, and the products are amazing. But they've just launched in the market. The reach is not that much, but the brand themselves, you know, they contacted me, and we had a, you know, really good conversation, and we did a collaboration that was very amazing. So that is one inspiring thing for me.
Tell us the feeling. Share us the feeling from sending emails to a brand and then receiving the endorsements from the brand. How does this feel to you now?
Oh, it is really amazing. It's amazing. The only difference was that I was not totally financially dependent on social media, you know, for my earnings. So initially what happens is when you start working in the industry, you know, many new influencers might get the financial crunch as well. So I would recommend to have a different set of income as well. I was working full time as an associate professor, already established, and so this thing I started from my, you know, passion, hobby. So I was not too much dependent upon the brands in terms of financially, but yes, I wanted to reach at a point wherein, you know, I of course make it. I want to pursue it completely full time as well, maybe in the coming years. Not right now. But I think I still have time to reach that position. I am frankly happy and satisfied with both the worlds. I think I'm balancing well, and because I have to, you know, give time to both my academics as well, my digital world as well. So for which I am really happy and satisfied. So, but of course, when you start getting good collabs, you know, you start earning out of it, you're more proud of yourself. You know, you feel that the efforts that you've done, the hard work that you've done is finally paying off. Finally paying off. So that is an amazing feeling.
Indeed, that is an amazing feeling. So you are also breaking the stereotype कि एक टीचर जो है एक इन्फ्लुएंसर नहीं बन सकता, एक प्रोफेसर इन्फ्लुएंसर नहीं बन सकता.
That is one thing I really want to break. People have this perception कि एक प्रोफेसर है तो एक ठीक है, middle age and, you know, I mean, not well maintained. That is the main perception people have. I want to break the barrier that a woman can be a professor as well, can be an influencer as well, can be a model as well, right? You don't have to be in a perfect shape to become a model. You just should know how to carry yourself well, you know, how to represent yourself well in front of others, and you can do anything in the world.
When you chose this digital career और आपने अपना Instagram का प्रोफाइल पब्लिक किया और ऐसा कंटेंट डालना लगे, how did your family react to it and how did your students react to it?
My family was very, very supportive. But, you know, I think rather than asking your students, I think you should ask me how did your colleague or friends react to it? Because this is something, it's different for them, and they kind of cannot digest the fact that, you know, you are doing good in life and you are exploring a different version you know, of yourself, and initially, you know, they kind of make fun out of you, out of the work that you do. You know, it has happened with me. you know, they kind of gossip about it, that okay, this is what she's posting, this is what the product, you know, they're getting, but they do not know the hard work that was,
Yeah.
you know, behind the screen. So, but now I can proudly say that they equally appreciate me. You know, they especially come forward and tell us that okay, how have you done this? You know, how can we do this?
Yeah.
They actually take suggestions from us. You know, how can we come forward and do these things? So I think that is a good proud thing for me.
That is so humble of you that you are still with friends with such people. मेरे होते तो मैंने छोड़ दिए होते.
It's always, you know, it's better to work with such kind of people. You know, you have so much learning as well. I've got a lot of learning of my life with working on with different kind of people. So आपको life के lessons ये लोग ही सिखाते हैं.
या इसी के साथ आ चुके हैं हम अपने रैपिड फायर राउंड पे. शुरू करते हैं अपना रैपिड फायर राउंड विद आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो व्हाट इज योर ड्रीम कोलैब?
My dream collab, recently I've done many fashion shoots, so I would love to work with Ritu Kumar, Anita Dongre.
Yeah.
So those are my dream collabs as of now.
And are you more of a ethnic person or a western wear person?
I am more of a western wear person, but now I'm exploring the ethnic side of it.
Yeah. So that's very diplomatic answer though for a fashion influencer. And what's your favorite cafe in Chandigarh?
I love Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, CBTL.
Yeah, CBTL. And if you were not professor, what were you?
If I was not professor, then I think I would be a doctor, because I have done medical in my school.
Wow. तो तब हमें जो है एक डॉक्टर को एज ए इन्फ्लुएंसर देखना पड़ता.
Yes. तब मैं डॉक्टर नहीं बनी तो मैंने ट्रैवल चूज कर लिया, एकेडमिक चूज कर लिया, एंड नाउ
That's how you end up here.
yes,
So runways or photo shoots?
photo shoots, yes.
Insta or Snap?
Instagram, yes, for sure. You know, I also have a story to tell you here about Instagram. आपको पता है Instagram कब start हुआ था?
मेरे
Back in 2010, 12, around that time. And I was the one who made an account on Instagram the moment it was launched, and I introduced Instagram to my friends as well. So I think that was again one more motivation for me to be a digital creator. Yeah.
You were always ahead times.
Yes, absolutely.
इसी के साथ हमारा आज का चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज का शो खत्म होता है. सो बिफोर वी लीव, आप हमारी ऑडियंस को बताएंगे कि वो आप इंस्टाग्राम पे आपको कैसे फॉलो कर सकते हैं.
Okay, so my handle is Harjot Sekhon 14, HARJOTSEKHON 14.
तो आप सभी जो है हरजोत को फॉलो कर सकते हैं और चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज को भी फॉलो करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, इस पे कमेंट करें और हमें बताएं आपको आज का हमारा एपिसोड कैसा लगा. मैं हूं प्रणय चावला, आपका होस्ट, और ये है चंडीगढ़ स्टोरीज, जहां हम बुनते हैं कुछ बातें, कुछ किस्से और ढेर सारी मस्ती.